Ashna Srivastav. Today I will teach you about the size reduction. As the term reduction suggests that we cut or broke large solid particles into a smaller pieces. You can see size reduction in different industries such as food industry, pharmaceutical industries and many process industries. For example, chunk of crude ore are crushed to a workable size as shown in the figure 1. Synthetic chemicals are ground into powder and sheet of plastic are cut into tiny cubes. Now what are the methods for size reduction? Raw materials undergo size reduction through different mechanisms. First one is the compression, second one is impact, third one is attrition and fourth one is cutting. Compression. In this process, the solid is crushed by application of pressure with a suitable device. Impact. In this process, the material is hit by an object moving at high speed or the moving particles strike a stationary surface and material is broken into smaller particles. Attrition. Attrition arising from the particle scraping against one another or against a rigid surface by rubbing action. Cutting. The material is cut by means of sharp blades. Now, their methods are used. The compression is basically used for coarse reduction of hard solids. Impact gives the coarse, medium or fine products. Attrition gives very fine products. Cutting provides a definite particle size and definite shape. Now what are the importance of size reduction or why we need size reduction? Because the reactivity of solid increases as the particle size decreases. That means the surface area increased as particle size reduced. Second one, it allows separation of unwanted ingredients by mechanical methods. Third one is it reduces the bulk of fibrous material for easier handling. Now the size reduction is also known as the comminution. Crusher and grinders are types of comminuting equipment. Now what are the characteristics of the comminuted products? The main purpose of crushing and grinding is to produce small particles from the larger ones. Smaller particles are desired either because of their large surface area or because of their shape, size and numbers. The ratio of diameters of the largest and the smallest particle in a comminuted product is on the order of 10 to the power 4. Thank you. In the next video we will cover another interesting topic.